Hello guys, welcome to FX Mentor, and in this video I'm going to talk about the best pivot reversal strategy along with the EMA. So today I'm going to tell you about the method that is very simple and that you can fill your profits into the short period of time, and you will learn this strategy in a short period of time. So please make sure that you must watch the full video. Okay, the recommended time frame for this strategy is the 1 minute time frame, and you can use any pair that is that is high volatile and that does not has the higher spread. Like for example, if we go to CHF JPY, they are high spread pairs. AUD CHF, AUD CAD, so do not use these pairs. This strategy is recommended for USD CHF, especially gold, Euro USD, USD JPY, Pound JPY, AUD JPY, and Pound USD. And however, you can also use this strategy completely into the crypto market as well. Okay, so let's talk about the indicators. First of all, you will be using the moving average exponential, and guys, then you need to, when you attach on the screen, then you need to go into the settings. Let me fetch the settings again because there was some error. So let me do it here again. So let's go to settings. Okay, not this one because the right settings are not coming. Okay, so just a second guys, because basically we want it to click on the blue line. Okay, here we are. Okay, you can see the length 9, and we have to change it to the 200 period, and then we have to change the color into the yellow color. EMA should be yellow so that it can be prominent on your screen, right? Okay, the second indicator that we will be using in this strategy is the pivot reversal strategy. You can go into the indicator section and can write pivot reversal strategy, and then it will be attached on the screen. Okay, now you don't need to use it without any changes. We also need to do some changing into the pivot reversal strategy. So we have to go in the settings of this, and then we will go to the input section of the pivot reversal strategy. Here you can see that we have some left bars is equal to 4 and the right bars is equal to 2. So we have to change this one to the first one to the 10, and the second one, that is right bars, we will change this one to the 3 period, and then we will click on the OK section. Okay, now you can see that I have removed so many fake signals that were given by the pivot reversal strategy, because this is the best settings that I can advise for the trend for the pivot market. Okay, now let's talk about that what the strategy is. For example, look at here. The market is above the 200 period moving average, and we have just received the sell signal in the form of red arrow that also shows -2 pin reversal. So basically this indicator is used to find the reversal points of the market. However guys, if we go with the trend, that will be very good for you. So we will ignore that signal because the market is above the 200 period moving EMA. This tells you that we are into the uptrend, then why we are going after selling this pair. So we will skip that signal, right? Okay, so we can take such signal like the buy signal comes above the moving average, and you can see we have also received a very good long highs, and that's a very good thing that you can catch into the market without any pressure, because this strategy is very simple to use. Let's have a look on USD CHF. Okay, so buy signal below the moving average, no problem. If the market has gone up, that's not a problem. So you will ignore this one. If the market pumps above the moving average, then it means that the downtrend is changed and the uptrend is going up. Then you will wait for the buy signal, right? Okay, now look at here. Below the moving average on the 1 minute time frame on USD CHF, we have received the sell signal. That was pretty fine. So you must be in a profit if you have taken the trade as per this decision. Okay, now you can see buy signal, the market pumped above the moving average. That was your entry. You can take your entry, and up to here you had a very good chance. Look here, you had a chance to buy above the moving average. You will not sell above the moving average. That's the simple rule that you need to follow. Okay, I have already explained about the USD JPY. Okay, now look at here. That's a good example. Below the moving average, we have received the sell signal from the pivot reversal strategy. That's your possible entry. And the second one, look at here. That's good, buy signal, and the market was pumped above here, then it was pumped down, but again it pumped up. So basically the yellow line that is 200 EMA is also a very kind of a strong signal that the market is changing its trend, so you can also trade with it. But if you will add the second confirmation from the pivot reversal strategy, then you can simply kill on the 1 minute time frame. Look at this long ride on Great Britain pound JPY just now. A buy signal, you can see a very good upward trend. Buy signal, a very good upward trend. You can set up stop losses below the moving average like this, or up to the reversal area in this manner. Okay, let's talk about the AUD JPY. If we look at the AUD JPY, we have a very good buy signal. So basically whatever we have done, we have made few changes in the settings section of the pivot reversal strategy, and you can see this pattern and this combination has become very amazing. Even if we look at Great Britain pound USD, so guys, look at here. So do you think that it's a good profit or not? It's definitely a very good profit, because just above the moving average you have received a buy signal after waiting for a long time on the 1 minute time frame. Because you can not trade so much on 1 minute, but with this strategy you can definitely do very easy scalping, because I have shown you maximum number of pairs. Even like Euro JPY, look at see above the moving average with the settings that I have recommended in my video, you can see a very good upward pressure above, a very good upward pressure. Ignore the sell signals, ignore the sell signal, again wait for the buy signal, and you will find a very good trading opportunities. So guys, this video is especially for my subscribers who love my trading channel, because you know that I will be providing you with the experience and a lot of stuff that is useful for your trading, and this is one of the best strategy also that I have not shared on YouTube, so I will keep on sharing. So please make sure that you must subscribe to FX Mentor for the upcoming videos. And guys, the best broker link is given in the description of this video. Please join that broker if you are having problems with your broker, because I'm using the best regulated, honest and the best broker. The link is given in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video.